Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Guess what? We are friends. Maybe you can see behind me here, we have a beautiful town of grass right behind me, and I'm enjoying this beautiful weather. Bringing some Garden Guitar to you guys from south of France. Let's go into this tutorial. And we have Austin Mahone, and he sings both ways here. A great song, fits guitar obviously very well, so let's check this one out together. As you can see, no need for any capo here on this fretboard. We have 4 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song, and we have different strumming patterns. That's the only thing that changes here. So anyway, let's go into the chords. We'll start with the E, and E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord here will be the G sharp minor. So it's a bar chord. You place the index finger here on the 4th fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We're gonna continue that bar chord theme here, and we're gonna move 1 fret inwards to land on the A chord. All right. So you have index finger now on the 5th fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 7th on A, 7th D, and 6 on G. And the final chord, guys, is the F sharp minor, and you go down to the 2nd fret here with the index finger, again all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And there you have the chord progression. So from E to G sharp minor to A and to F sharp minor. All right, so we have the verse play, and it's played like this. All right, so that's the strumming pattern divided into 2 different parts. We're going to look at the transition here from E to the G sharp minor. So E part 1 will be down, down, up. So, okay, so down, down, up. Then you shift to the next chord here, in this case the G sharp minor, and play part 2, and it's up, down, 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 up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you apply the same principles here for the next 2 chords. So A is played in the same way as E, down, down, up, and then you go into the F sharp minor and play that in the same way as G sharp minor. So A like this, and then F sharp minor, up, down, 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 up. So together, 1 round in the verse play goes like this. Okay, so you have that set now into the chorus. That starts about 35 seconds in. The chord progression is the same, but now we have just a little bit different of strumming pattern here. So again, 2-part strumming. E part 1 goes like this. So it's 3 downs and a short little pause, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, and pause. Then you go into the next chord, part 2, and that's the G sharp minor. And it's played down, 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 up, down, up. So 2 downs and then down, up, down, up. So together it will be down, 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 up, down, up. So E to G sharp minor sounds like this. And again, you apply the same principles here on the next 2 chords, and that will be A, down, 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 and then F sharp minor, down, 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 up, down, up. So together 1 round in the chorus play goes like this. Okay, so there you have it, and that's the chorus play. And from now on, there are pretty much no news. You go back into the 2nd round here, 2nd verse. It's played in the same way as far as the chords, but now you will apply the chorus strumming, all right? So part 1 will be now down, 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 and then part 2 down, 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 up, down, up. So that is the same as chorus play, basically. Then you go into the chorus, you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. chorus play for 4 rounds again, and then you have just this bridge parts played, and again you just play another chorus play, and you'll finish off with the chorus that just rolls into the very end. And guess what, guys? That is how you handle this song here from Mahone, and I hope you enjoy this. Again, I must say, this is a perfect scenario to sit here in South France, just enjoying the weather and doing this for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you'll be back here very soon for next upload. Till then, guys, play tuned.